Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another wig in store for you guys, and you're absolutely going to love it because right now, to be honest, glueless wigs are just the way to go if you're the kind of girl who don't want to put in a lot of effort into like styling your hair, or you don't even have the time. Someone like me, I'm always in a rush because I have work, I have content creation, I have events, so I'm always on the go. If you're the kind of person who just wants, minimum effort, maximum enjoyment, I know that that's you. I have the perfect glueless wig for you, so I'm just going to show you. So today's wig is from Alipearl. Let me show you guys what we have inside. So we have the wig, we have the wig band, 3D eyelashes, brush, and like that has a little comb, so 2-in-1. I have a HD wig cap, and it's 2 pieces. We have the wig bag. Oh, I love this color. Funny thing, gold is one of my favorite colors. It looks good on me. When it comes to accessories, I always go for gold, as you can see. And we have this. I think it's a mirror. Hold on. Oh yeah, it's a mirror. Oh, this is really nice. So it's a 2-way mirror. This is like a closer, I don't know what it's called, like a zoom lens, if I were to put it that way. This is like the normal mirror, and this has like a more magnifying or a closer view. But yeah, it's a mirror. This is really thoughtful and cute. I like the fact that it has like this really cute lady in front with her crown, like, yeah, I'm the queen. This is a 22 inches wig, and I got a cap size small because I have a small head, small but mighty. It also came with some wig grip, so if you want to have that snatch effect on your face, you can use this. I usually don't like to use this because personally I just feel like I don't like that tape feeling on my hair or on my head. But yeah, it has that option if you want your face looking all snatched up and giving it that Botox look. This is 22. To be honest, it looks longer than 22. Maybe when I put it on my head, but yeah, this is it straight out of the pack. This is a 7x5 closure wig. So as you can see, it goes pretty close to like my ear point. This is a single knot wig, you guys. That means it has 1 or 2 hair on each hole. So it looks very, very natural. As you can see, it looks like it's literally growing from your scalp. There's also an adjustable band. For glueless wig, is very important that you have an adjustable band so it holds your wig where it should. Also has a clip at the back for you to secure the wig, so if you're dancing or something, it doesn't go anywhere, so your wig stays the way it should. This is straight out of the box. I have not added anything. I have not used my hot comb. I have not, tried to use my lace tint, nothing. It's a little bit lighter than my skin tone, which I can easily fix. But look at the single knot I was talking about. Can you see how it looks like it's actually your scalp? What I'm going to do now is I'll just take this out and apply some of my lace tint to it so that the color blends with my hairline, my forehead, and like my scalp. I used my hair mousse tint in medium brown, and I just added that to the knot of my wig, and now it blends perfectly well with my skin color. Ooh, yep. Now it's my perfect shade. Let me just adjust this. So this is what we have. Just look at the knot. Oh my god, I absolutely love it. Like I said, it's a 7x5, so this is where the lace stops, which is pretty close to my ear. Before you install this, you want to lay back your edges so everything just blends. That's if you want to move the hair away from your face. But I have not used any hot comb. I have not added any glue whatsoever. Let me show you. I have not added, not added any glue anywhere, and it fits like a glove. It's really nice. I'm just going to brush this out. I absolutely love this, my god. I can't believe I don't even need to add sprit or anything. Like, can you see that? Let me use a small comb. It looks like it is literally my hair. It looks like it's literally growing from my scalp. I'm going to use my hot comb to just make sure all the little fly hairs are well laid, and then just straighten the wig. It's pretty straight already, but you know, because it was in a pack, it's not as straight as I want it to be. So I'm just going to straighten it out and I'm good to go. I don't need to do anything. Oh my god, this single knot are absolutely, I love it. I love it. I love it. It just gives this classy, clean, finished look. Ooh. Let me show you guys the back. Where's the lace? Excuse me, where's the lace? Excuse me, where's the lace?
Laugh and love, we pound the ground. Drums and bass, they fill the air. Living life without a care. Bright days equal endless nights. Feel the pulse in city lights. Step by step we celebrate. Every moment can't be late. Living my best life. No worries, no strife. Every day I dance. Take every single chance.
This is what we have. Ooh, can you see that? This hair feels so good. It's easy to wear, it's soft, it's light, it's beautiful. And also with like the single knot, it looks so realistic. It looks like it's literally my hair, or it was like a sew-in. I brought out my hair, and it is glueless. I did not have to add any glue. You saw how easy this install was. I didn't have to melt anything. I didn't have to use the wig band. All I did was just wear. I straightened it up so you can have this silky straight effect, and then I use my hot comb just to arrange the front and to make sure that any fly hair was properly arranged. But yeah, this is it. What you guys think? I absolutely love it. I'm just looking at myself in the viewfinder and I'm like, let me read this. Anyways, if you want to get this wig, I'm going to add all the info and the link to my description box. This hair is from Alipearl hair. I'm going to add all the link that you need to shop this hair in my description box. And I'm also going to add the link in my bio as well, so it's easier for you to just click and shop this particular one. They also have different type of wig, glueless wigs with the same single knot, different designs, different colors. Just check them out and then come back and thank me, because in this day and age, like, everybody's on the move. We're looking for things to make life easier. We're looking for ways to be able to be productive while saving time. And you know, if you're a girly who loves wig, this is like the perfect go-to, because it will literally take 5 minutes or less. What am I saying? 5 minutes? Less than 5 minutes basically. Once you've tinted the lace, all you need to do is just put on, straighten it, brush your wig, and you're good to go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video and leave a comment. See y'all next time.